This is the right time and the right place to realize that super cool idea that you have. I'm Lucky Platt, and I am an author-illustrator. I'm really looking forward to teaching an online workshop at Maine Media, and the workshop concerns the production of a self-published children's book. We'll spend a lot of time talking about visual storytelling, and we'll look at lots of examples of beautiful books, and we'll go through the process that you would go through if you were publishing traditionally. I really think that you can learn a technique, you can share your work, you can experience critique, all of those things in a virtual environment. I think my first experience with powerful stories was listening to them. I know that a lot of author illustrators say that they work sort of simultaneously with the pictures and the words. And I would say in the process of Imagine a Wolf, there was this initial character development or this character idea, and then the story was really came about simultaneously. The pictures and the words came about at the same time. So I think that this is an opportunity to make that book and to make it in a really welcoming, supportive environment. You know, the studio practices can be kind of a solitary, isolating thing, and we've had a lot of isolating experiences in the past year, and so anything that opens you up, that gives you an opportunity to share something you're making, talk about it, give feedback on someone else's work, all that stuff seems really important right now.